no. We're just doing some musical chairs real quick.
Am I allowed to be here with
you? Or I get out? Of course you can.
I know you get it, but we stay here this time.
Cheese. Recording a video, and we can watch later.
Alright, cool. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to match by size. That's actually gone very well. Generally, matching by size helps a lot because usually they're a little more comfortable with dogs their size.
Yeah.
But when matching by size doesn't work, we match by personality. So but right now it's working pretty well. So what I'll get everybody to do for now, while we have all of our dogs nice and close, we want to basically try to avoid too many nose-to-nose interactions at first. Okay, so the more nose-to-nose interactions we have, the more overexcited our dogs are going to get, right? And the less likely it is for them to actually learn anything. Right? So we want to be teaching them stuff, we want to be practicing new things. Yes, I forgot to get everyone to sign in last week. But I think if I could just get you to sign in for me, Stacey, that'd be perfect. Last week I had a whole list of my own signature. I don't know why. My brain did not go the way it should. So.
You did it, yes. And I have why did you notice these? I don't see it.
So the one thing I forgot to ask, but Kiro, how old is Kiro?
He is now 13 weeks.
Alright, so welcome to our weekly class, guys. We all made it. Good job. Especially on Easter Sunday as well. I hope everybody's got lots of chocolates.
Too much chocolate.
Oh, good.
None for the dogs though.
Yeah,
They're gone. They were on Friday.
oh, yeah. That's how I spent my morning. Just like jamming down on chocolates and stuff. And I was like, to do stuff. Yeah, cool. So basically, we want to try to avoid the nose-to-nose meetings, right? Because we will do some controlled socialization first. Right? So before we get into our socialization, I want to touch on some of the subjects we've talked about. So I've raised it as a big first topic, right? How has that gone?